Today we're taking a look at Terra's Luna coin, performing some technical analysis and making some predictions on where we can expect to see Luna go in the near future. Let's get into it. Welcome back into the Luna chart, guys. If you'd like to buy some Luna or want some free Bitcoin, there are a couple of links down in the description of today's video. And as you can see, we have had quite a nice little bounce. And not only did we bounced off our 50-day moving average, which at the time was sitting at $72. And on that same day, the 12th of January, which was yesterday, we hit a high of $83.70, and what that did was put us in a pretty good position. As you can see, we are now back above $78, a key point of resistance for us, but we have hit that 50-day moving average, currently sitting at $82.82. That is proving to be a major point of resistance, and you can see today we are testing that point again. Currently we're sitting at $81.52. You can see that the drawing I had previously actually didn't really come into effect, and that's because the entire crypto market pumped. Luna obviously went with it, and of course that allowed them to break out, so it's a better result than what we were expecting. So all in all, feeling pretty good about that. What I'm going to do is expand this line at 86. That is our other key point of resistance after the basically the 20-day moving average here, and of course I'm going to extend out our support as well because that is very important. We're now in a trading channel that I'd like to see us at least stay within. Hopefully we don't drop back below, well that wouldn't be too good, but overall not looking too shabby at this point in time. Something really important that has happened is this downtrend which we have had in place here has certainly now been broken. We've moved above it, so short-term downtrend has been eliminated. In saying that though, there is the possibility that you could put in place a downtrend from effectively, I suppose, this point here, but I really don't think there is enough information to be sitting there at this point in time to legitimize that. So all in all, right now I'm just going to look at it as it is. If we do go into the hourly chart though, what you will see is a nice little bullish pattern has formed itself. We had a flag pattern coming up here. There's the pole. It broke out of that flag pattern, as you can clearly see here. So very nice pennant had formed, broke out, and then shot upwards. So that is a relatively bullish move that we did see. Now what's forming here? Well, it looks like almost we have dipped a bit. It's dipped, I suppose, nice enough as well to go once again, hey, a flag pattern has formed itself and it has broken out within literally like the last hour or so, which is pretty fantastic actually. So all in all, that is looking relatively bullish for us within the short term. So the hourly chart looking very, very nice. Based on that, if we go back to the daily chart here, what do we want to do? Well, first things first, we want to hit that $82 mark again, break through the moving average, the 20-day one, and then go on right here to test $86, our next key point of resistance. So hopefully we see that within the next few days. We had a bounce off that support point at 78, so all in all looking relatively bullish. So ideally I'd like to see a breakthrough and a move up towards that line. That will be really crucial for us in order to move forward. So I'm going to just extend that line out as well now. Volume wise, volume is pretty low today, so hopefully we just start to see some more of that coming through. That would be ideal. Green volume obviously. Quickly looking at the MACD, what we can see is the 12-day EMA is now converging or about to converge to the 26-day EMA. When that does happen, that will be a major indicator for a breakout for Luna. So very, very bullish signal. Once again, you can see this pattern here hollowing out, and we are about to see, hopefully within the next 2 days, a bit of green action, which is looking really, really positive. RSI, let's have a quick look at that because we have had a bit of an uptick. As you can see, we came from an RSI of 38.18. We're now currently sitting at 53.28. Still relatively central now, so that gives us plenty of room for a breakout to occur and us to move in an upwards direction, hopefully propelling us above our key target right now, which is sitting at $86. If we manage to break through $86, the next point we're going for is once again that $100 mark. I'm going to get rid of the uptrend that we saw in place there. I'm going to extend out the $100 mark, and that is truly where we will be moving, hopefully within the near future. So let's get rid of this little doodle here and put another line up. There we go. I'd suggest that is what we'll be looking for. May encounter some resistance here, just due to the fact that we've had a bit of price action there in the past, but all in all, looking very, very positive at this point in time. The target for today's video is $86. That wraps up our analysis for today, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts on Luna down in the comments section below. Of course, if you did enjoy today's video as well, make sure you do leave a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of this sort of content, hit that subscribe button and turn on bell notifications. I'll leave it there for today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.